Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to style natural hair to be glamorous and look like a movie star. First, we are going to start by sectioning the hair. I'm taking a section from the crown. I'm going to be tucking this away while we walk on the back. As you can see, I've already sectioned the hair into 3 places. This is the rubber band I'm using. I'm just going to take the hair. We don't want it too tight. Just get the band, grab the hair and just put it around the hair. I'm just combing the top. Make sure it's high enough depending on what you want. If you want volume, you can just push it up. I'm using my elastic band to just I put a pin around the elastic band, a bobby pin, to just keep it into place. I'm using some hairspray to just make sure any of the flyaway hair is taped down. I'm going to be twisting the front to the back. By doing this just lightly so that we can maintain the volume. Guys, don't forget to press the like button. I'm just using a bobby pin to just hold it down. I'm using 2 so that it stays in place. I'm doing the other side just the same way. Just twist it, not too tight. Use my pin on top of the previous pin that we've done. Make sure it's secure. I'm going to be using this hair, any hair of your choice. Everything I'm using in this video will be in the description box. You can check it out later. I'm just going to twirl her hair. If your hair is long, just kind of secure it away. This style, if you want it like more glamorous for a bride, you can add extension. But if you just want to go to work, you just want like an easy day, you can just use your own hair to just wrap it around the back, and that will be fabulous as well.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, can't make cold.
I'm just twisting it lightly. I'm using my pin. You can do like a 2-strand twist, but with this one we want it to look more kind of easy to look at. We don't want it too tight. You can do whatever you want to do. You can even do like a plait, and it's good to experiment. Guys, if there's any hairstyle you want me to do, or just any particular thing you want to ask, you can leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. I'm just keep on twisting it. With this style, there's no right or wrong, because you're just kind of twisting it and see where you need to feel it. That's what we are doing. And if you're short of extension, you can put another extension as well. Just twist it and use your pin. This style is already beautiful on its own. If it's just for like everyday use, you can leave it like this, but just make sure to see if it's secure. I'm just using some pin to pin inside. Some of you have been asking me, where am I from? I am originally from Nigeria and I live in London. If you ask where did I learn how to make hair, yes, I learned how to make hair in Africa. Guys, we can learn anything. I'm a hairstylist. I'm a bridal hairstylist in London. I'm just putting some accessory now. You put any accessory of your choice. Guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe so that you don't miss any video. And if you want to learn more about styling, this playlist up here, I recommend it for you. Thanks for watching. See you next week. We love you all. Bye bye.